25th, it's your boy Stacious. Today gonna be a easy video. I wasn't planning on making this one at all, but shit happens, you know what I'm saying? We at the AutoZone or whatever like that. I got my best friend with me, you know what I'm saying? But this video, man, I'm just gonna show y'all what it is pretty much. About a year ago, we had weather like this, and the snow pretty much messed it up. You know what I'm saying? It corroded it or whatever like that. So I'm about to refix it again, but this time I'm gonna show y'all how it is. So I'm ready to go in here and we're ready to get started. Family. All right, y'all. For this arm, it's gonna have this little cap on it. I already taken it off and all. And then it's gonna have this bolt. I'm gonna tighten it and then try to see if it'll work again. And then if not, then I already know the issue. Swap it out, you feel me? All right, I just tightened it. I'm gonna see if that works. Huh. I guess I came up here for no reason then. That's funny. Fuck down with this shit. I came all the way up here for no reason, basically. Shit, basically. They said, the forecast said that it's gonna rain on Wednesday, so I guess I might as well get some new blades while I'm here, man. What y'all think? Alright, I came out with these. Ready to put these on real fast. I'm going about my day. I'm doing the most for this. Alright, so the 22 was hanging like right here. It was scraping and shit. So I got a 21 instead. Try to put this on real fast and then see. Well, shit. This one hang too, but it ain't as much like the other one did. You know what I'm saying? So definitely not as much as the other one did. Hopefully I can keep it like that. Let me see what it's like. Hey, make sure y'all start throwing away y'all damn trash too, you know what I'm saying? Even this little stuff. Shit matters. Alright, girl. Y'all probably be mad at me if y'all knew how long I wasn't using my windshield wipers. So like I said, it was not gonna be no crazy video. Shit, it really wasn't gonna be no video at all, for real. I ain't waste my time. I still got windshield wipers and all, but man, check y'all boats, you feel me? But she's tired. I was gonna take her on a little ride, but I guess I took too long. So I'm ready to take her back to the crib and go on with our day. To the next video, you feel me?